Updating your legal name on Wealthfront is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and accurately. Step 1. Log into your Wealthfront account. Access your Wealthfront account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use iSork to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select personal information. In account settings, find the option for personal information or profile details. Click on this to access your current legal name information. Step 4. Update your legal name. Look for the field that displays your legal name. Enter your new legal name in the appropriate fields. Double check for any spelling errors to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Submit required documentation. After updating your name, you may need to provide legal documentation to verify the change, such as a marriage certificate or court order. Follow the prompts to upload or submit these documents. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name will be updated on Wealthfront. Be sure to check back in a few days to confirm that the changes have been processed.